Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my Abhyas. I'm Rajeshwari. I'm going to take mathematics. So last video you would have seen actually. So we have started with the arithmetic progression. Yes, no? So in this session we are going to just continue and we are going to start with a beautiful and interesting. What is that? It's a formula, important formula actually. Okay. So shall we check it now? What is that? It is arithmetic progression. Important formula. So to get that formula, so let us take one situation. So one of your friend by name Raju, okay, so his name is Raju. He has got a beautiful gift, that is book. That book name is Learning to Fly. Learning to Fly. So this book is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So this book he has got it as a gift on his birthday. Okay. So if you get any birthday gift and you are a book lover, means you like to read books, means what do? You start reading, you get excited to read, right? Similarly, even your friend Raju also started to read this book. On the first day, very beautifully, with great interest, he completed 10 pages. Okay, how many pages he completed? So he completed 10 pages. So on the first day, Raju completed 10 pages from the book Learning to Fly. Right? So what happens? When you start reading, you get more interest also. Even he also got some interest. So, but what happened? Due to his 10th standard busy schedule, like he has to learn all the subjects, right? So he could not able to continue to read same 10 pages every day. So then he decided to read 5 pages every day. Understood? That means on the second day, he read 5 pages. Fine. So he has taken a great determination that he has to read 5 pages. Very good boy, lucky only. Okay. So on the third day, he read 5 pages. Yes, no? Now, let us go back here. On first day, he read 10 pages. Second day, 5 pages extra. That means he has read 15 pages. On the second day, totally means 15 pages of the book has been completed. Fine. So by third day, he has completed 20 pages totally. Now, can you tell me on 7th day, on 5th day, on 5th day, how many pages you would have completed? Yes, is it easy for you to tell? Yes, because you can just add 5 pages here. Okay, so here 5 and here 5 becomes, so 20 plus 5 on 4th day. On 5th day, you can just write directly it is 20, it's not 20, it is 30. Yes, no? So on 5th day, he has completed 30 pages of reading from the book Learning to Fly. Fine. So similarly, Raju went on reading. At the end means last day. We don't know last day how many days he took. Let us consider that as N. Okay. N is nothing but the last day. Okay. So that on that day, how many pages you would have completed? Yes. Any guesses? Okay. So just to guess the answer, I will give you a clue. Here, you can just let us consider this situation as arithmetic progression, where first day can be written as A. First day, how much he has read? 10 pages, no? So that can be written as A. And the second day, which he has added, means 5 pages extra he has added. He has read it. So that can be written as A plus B. Means, are you understanding? Yes. On the third day, he has read, okay, A as it is, D plus D. Or directly you can write 2D instead of writing DD. So here, on 4th day, he has read A plus 3B, number of pages. Coming to this, at the nth day, means at the last day, how many pages would have completed? Yes, by this time you would have got a clue here. Yes, if you have not got, just observe once again carefully here. Here the coefficient of D. Here the coefficient of D is 1 less than the subscript of A. So I have not written the subscript here. Just look at this. Here A can be written as A1. This second day can be written as A2. Third day can be written as A3. Fourth day can be written as A4. Yes, fourth term. Yes. So fourth term. So whatever I have told, I just repeat it. Here in this sequence, the coefficient of D is 1 less than the subscript of A. Yes. So here you can just look at this. Recall the concept of coefficient here. So what is the meaning of coefficient here? Here the number associated with D. It is 3 here. I told this coefficient is 1 less than the subscript of A. Okay, here it is 4, but here it is 3. That means what? This is 1 less than 4. Yes, no? Yes. So similarly now use this criteria to fill how many pages would have completed on the last, that is n days, n number of days. Yes. So it is A plays as it is. This will continue. Or number of days it continues. So A, on the last day A will be as it is, plus as it is. Okay. Here in place of 3, what should I have to write? 1 less than the subscript of A. So the subscript of A will be AN. Because last day, no? Yes, last term also we can call. Yes. So look at this now. So what should be 1 less than this n? 1 less than n is nothing but n minus 1. N minus 1 into D. Yes. So this is the important formula which I meant I am going to teach you in this session. So I hope you have got it already. So that is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is this formula denotes? This formula tells us the nth term, the last term, okay, of an arithmetic progression. So write down now. So in your notes, you just continue. That is nth term of an arithmetic progression. Nth term of an arithmetic progression, you can just write it as AP, okay, is given by the formula A subscript n is equal to, means AN, it should be read as AN. AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now you have got a formula. Now you are asking, ma'am, why should we use this formula? Okay. So what are the uses of this formula? Yes. Now while just deriving this, I would have asked you, I have asked you, so on 5th day, on 5th day, how many pages your friend Raju would have completed reading? Yes. That means we did not come in order, like 4th day we did not write. Yes. We just directly went to the 5th day. That means what? We can calculate the value of n. Yes. So uses. Okay. This can be used to find n value. To find n value. To find the value of. Okay. You can just write like this. To find the value of n. Is it only n? Yes. We have A also here and B also here, AN also here. We can find any term. If we know 3 terms, okay. So we can just find out the first term also if we know the remaining terms. And also, so what does this an represent? This represents the last term. So we can also find the value of an. And not only that, we can also find out the difference. See, the difference is 5 pages. Yes, no? So the difference is 5 pages. So this is D also can be found using this formula. Yes, is it quite interesting? But you need to know the shortcut to remember this formula. Yes? Okay. So just copy down this. I will give you a shortcut to remember this formula. For this, you have to remember the word success. Yes, the word success, if you remember, you can remember this formula. How? I'll teach you now. So, whenever we start doing any new work, any new task, we cannot succeed immediately, right? We need to go step by step. So, that steps only you have to remember. Just write the word success. Yes, shall we start now? Okay, continue, sorry, it's continue. So just write success in this way. Yes, in this way. SUCCESS. So on the first day, whatever we start is only initial. Means the beginning. Yes, no? So that is only A. Okay. So next step, what do? We just learn some steps. Yes, no? So that is A plus B. Next it keeps on moving. The same consistency has to be maintained. So it becomes, on the third day, it becomes A plus B plus B. It moves on. It is A plus D plus B plus D. Yes, here it is again A plus D plus D plus B plus D plus D. In other words, we can write it as A1, A2, A3, okay, let me make like this, it will continue. Okay, so this is A1, A1 is equal to just A, or it is A plus 0D, and this is A2 is nothing but A plus D, 1 time D, that is, we can write here 1 time D, and this is C, third one, that is A3. A3 will be A plus 2D. That's what 2 times D have written here. And next C will be A plus 3D. That is A4 will be A plus 3D. Yes. Next A5, which is equal to A plus 4D. Okay. Here also you can check this. The coefficient of D is 1 less than the subscript of 2. Fine. So this will continue. Our success throughout our life will not stop. So that is what I have mentioned here. It will continue, move on, move on, move on. At the last, we achieve, that is AN. AN is equal to A as it is plus N minus 1 into D. Fine. So just remember this success and keep writing A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. At last, we arrive at AN, which is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Fine. Yes, hope you have understood. And before going to the exercise, let us write the general form of an AP. So this is what we have written vertically, we'll write just horizontally. Continue your notes right here. Here this also, you can just write horizontally here.